to be very honest and say that we weren't very good at Welsh a few years ago, and we didn't enjoy it either. When Estyn came to visit our school, they told us we had to improve our standards of Welsh. We worked really hard to improve Gymraeg at Ysgol Hwlffordd VC. We're going to tell you about one of our projectau arbennig. Bwrdd y dyniad dojo, the dojo wizard's table.
To make children siarad Cymraeg, we started a Penfro dojo system where we give the children dojo points for siarad Cymraeg and a dosbarth neu tu allan. We counted these points every week. Gwasanaeth Cymraeg, our weekly Gwasanaeth Cymraeg is led by us, the Crew Cymraeg. We hand out Siaradwyr y Wythnos awards to the children who have received the most pointiau dojo for siarad Cymraeg during the week. Mae'n pawb yn hapus iawn achos mae nhw'n yn ennill ar bwrdd Dywiniad Dojo.
Felly, beth ydy bwrdd y Dywiniad Dojo? Our bwrdd is a treat arbennig for those who have made an effort to siarad Cymraeg and have won the most pointiau dojo in their class. Pob dydd Gwener, the Crew Cymraeg set up a special table outside the hall for the winners to have their lunch. They get waiter service and some special treats, fel sauce coch a squash. There's no wonder mae nhw'n yn hapus dros ben.
Mae Crew Cymraeg yn gweithio yn galed. In our specially printed aprons, we serve our guests, yn Gymraeg of course, using phrases like Prynhawn da, croeso I ffwrdd y dyniad dojo, dewch I eistedd, da iawn yn siarad Gymraeg yn wythnos yma. Wyt ti'n eisiau squash?
Rydyn ni'n cael bwyta wrth y bwrdd hefyd. This gives us a chance to help the winners siarad even more Gymraeg. We have placemats which help us chat on Gymraeg. We discuss things like what we did dros y wythnos or what we've done yn y ysgol wythnos yma. For example,
Es I siopa gyda mam yn Hwlffordd a dydd Sadwrn.
Sut es ti?
Es I mewn car.
Beth wisgais i?
Gwisgais I jeans, trainers a cot achos roi hi'n bwrw glawr.
Hoffet ti wneud wythnos nesaf?
Hoffen ni fynd i'r cinema achos hoffen ni weld yr Disney newydd.
We try our best to siarad Cymraeg ar y bwrdd. Ar ôl gorffen cinio, our guests complete an online TripAdvisor review to rate everything from the quality of service to the quality of siarad Cymraeg. Here are some comments by our guests. Mae'n fantastic. Best day ever. I like how you get served. Dwi'n hoffi o'r music Cymraeg. Mae'n wych a'n bendigedig.
Our bwrdd Dywiniad Dojo has been a success mawr. Mae plant mwynhau siarad Cymraeg. Mae plant Hwlffordd VC yn trio siarad Cymraeg pob dydd. Ac mae plant yn dwlu a siarad Cymraeg a bwrdd y Dywiniad Dojo.